You think you're so impressive.
I am so impressed.
You wish.
Right. You are so impressed.
I don't understand how I held it together before I could hold your hand. And I can't recall if I knew who I was before you knew me, flaws and all. Whoa, feels like a lifetime ago. And do you know, who did I used to be? How was there ever me without you? Don't wanna ever be without you, without you, me without you. Baby, I can't believe
If I get back in touch, if you talk to Rose, just tell her. Tell her. Oh, she
I love you.
How did I fill that space? It's now as though I've always known you'd be the one to change my life and make the man that I've become. Who did I used to be?
I've only got one life.
And how is
Rose
there
Tyler.
ever me without you?
And it was you.
Ever be without you?
Do you want?
Without you, me without you. Don't let me ever be without you. Without you, me without you. I don't understand how I held it together before I could hold your